guys, welcome back to the Nomad Method. Today is a really exciting day. I have signed up for a walking tour here in San Jose to check out all of the markets and cool things around town, but it gets super busy in the center, and so I really would love to check out what that's like, especially during the day. There's so many stores and stands and everything, so that's what I'm gonna go see. Our tour begins at the Mercado Central.
So guys, this is the Central Market, and the Central Market was created because of that reason. Around the place is not too big, but you're gonna find around 200 stores to visit in between souvenir shops, cafeterias, natural medicine, everything we find out in here.
It's structured like a full warehouse with different sections for different stores. So all of the kiosks were owned by locals and selling so many different things, from handcrafted goods to food to full-blown restaurants and all of the above. You could find any type of souvenir, pharmaceutical needs, and even some live animals for sale like birds and dogs.
Nice easily because they are popular, like that one as well. You're gonna find everywhere. This is something that we call cucumeca, or it's called cucumeca. It's a root and it's used for the immune system in low deficits or anemia. So this is a way for me to get attached a little bit more with our native tradition in Costa Rica. We are, oh, gracias, chiquillos. Nothing as cute as this one.
What is it?
It's cute, right? It's the way to celebrate Halloween. We make posts. No, mentira, no. But we should do because it's super cute.
Walking the streets here gave me such a different perspective of the San Jose area. There's always something to look at, to do, someone to talk to. That it's just such a really lovely environment. Our guides then took us to their own stand in the farmers market so that we could do a fruit tasting.
The mangoes are better in April when it's the top of the summertime. I like to eat them. This is the ripe mango.
The first thing I tried was a water apple. This was a 5 out of 10 for me. Then I had a not sour lemon. It was actually sweet, but it was pretty good, 10 out of 10. It tasted like lemonade. Another friend from the tour wanted to join me in cracking open these passion fruits. 10 out of 10. I love this so much. After the market, we headed out to check out some of the Central Park of San Jose.
This is the Central Park of San Jose. In 1821, we received the notice of independence here. Since that time when we started.
We also stopped inside the San Jose's Grand Cathedral, which is so beautiful and in use every day. It's like a living museum.
find another thing, you're gonna find a street light in the middle of the beach, like no sense, but San Jose was the thing.
Round out this tour, we checked out a nearby coffee shop and did a cooking lesson here as well as some coffee tasting. We tried tamales as well as some plantain tacos, and you know we can't forget the Lozano salsa on top.
Mine was a single.
Yours single?
Easy round.
Mine a triple. I got a triple.
Triple round.
So fascinating. Oh my god. There we go.
For the cooking lesson, we all made our own individual sweet empanadas filled with Parmesan cheese and cane sugar.
I wanted to say that this is empanada number 8 and look at this how beautiful. Today the ugly empanada is gonna be
Mine was more sugar heavy.
That's how it should be.
Yeah.
Okay guys, thank you so much for coming with me on this tour. It was so much fun. I got to see so many different things and try so many new foods, and everyone here is just so sweet. I made a bunch of new friends and got a couple new subscribers. Shout out to y'all. I hope you're watching this. So thanks so much for coming with me today, and stay tuned because I'm gonna do a lot of fun things pretty soon in Panama, but this is my last one here in Costa Rica. I want to say thank you to Costa Rica for just being an amazing place for me to start my digital nomad journey, and I can't wait to continue on and see what else the world has to hold for me. So stay tuned.